What's going on, you guys? Jay the Tank Official here, aka Options Buffett. In today's video, we're basically going to be breaking down exactly why I took this trade setup today on ABT and why I told everyone that I was buying the $130 calls, targeting that $130 price target. Again, very simple and amazing trade setup we took today. I want to basically go ahead and break this down for you guys on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. First off, I want to start off by saying, look, if you guys are trading the S&P 500 and Nvidia, Tesla, that's not wrong. You're not wrong for trading these stocks. However, my strategy consists of trading breakouts, which is exactly what we did here. The night before, guys, I was doing my watch list and I noticed that ABT was actually in a downtrend. Now, what I mean by that is that we were making new highs and we started to consolidate in this downtrend, right, that you guys overall see here, which is very important that we take note of. I saw that on the 1 hour time frame, guys, we actually had a wedge forming. Now, this is one of the greatest probability setups that I take in the market because I like to trade breakouts. I like to trade calls. I don't like to trade puts. Therefore, I look for shit moving, breaking out, etc. As you guys see, this stock actually formed a 1 hour pennant, as I saw yesterday when I was scanning my stocks, and I saw that this chart was breaking out on the 1 hour. As you guys can see here, we made highs of $138, $139, and then we came down to $125 and consolidated for some time. As you guys can see, since the 14th, which is basically around 14 days, this stock has been consolidating. Now again, to see a stock consolidating for 14 days, the bigger the weight, the bigger the move is going to be. Now what I mean by that is once we broke out of this downtrend, the massive move took place. Now, start off by saying this, guys. I want to start off by saying this. You can look at stocks on the 4 hour, you can look at stocks on the 2 hour, 1 hour, whatever you want to do. But the best time frame that I have found to work for me is going to be the 1 hour time frame. As you guys saw the night before, I literally charted this. I told everyone that I was looking at this the night before, basically. If you guys liked my tweet and you guys saw, I sent a few DMs out telling you guys I was watching ABT. Like I said, this is how the stock looked yesterday as of the basically close. Yesterday at close, the stock didn't have this candle because this is today's candle, but it basically was at the end of this breakout. So it was on my close watch for a move to the upside. Now I saw this wedge and I was instantly thinking, okay, what are my targets? Okay, we have the highs of 139, which obviously it can hit that, but it's not going to hit that today. So I was thinking, okay, where has this stock hit and rejected multiple times, which you guys can see right here. 1, 2, 3. We had 3 signs of rejection, aka bounces, whatever, bounce, rejections, whatever you want to count, bounce and reject at $130. So right off the bat, guys, I was looking for this stock to break above this pennant, right, to take an entry. And essentially, guys, I was looking for a move into that $130 level. Now, if we go on to the smaller time frames and we let time play out, as you guys will see here, stock broke out as soon as the markets, like as soon as I saw the 5-minute candle, guys, excuse me, as soon as I saw the 5-minute candle break above that pennant, right, on the 5-minute, as you guys see, I like to look for pennants on the 1 hour. Now, when we go to the 5-minute, today I saw ABT break out of this pennant on the 5-minute with a massive candle. As soon as that candle closed, you guys saw that I alerted you guys that I was taking ABT calls. There is a reason I held this trade the entire day up until 131.50. Now, this is the exact reason for that. Once you take the trade, knowing when to sell is key, right? My stop loss was essentially, guys, being a break below, right? If we were to break below 126, I would cut my stop loss, which is essentially why I had such a good idea on this trade, right? My risk to reward was ideally, guys, really only, my risk to reward, guys, was really only, as you guys will see here, this up. My risk to reward, guys, was literally 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1, or 3 to 1, whatever you want to call it. So I was basically watching for this stock to break out of this pennant and hit $130. As you guys can see, as soon as it broke out, closed its first 5-minute candle, I alerted the Discord, guys, I'm taking the $130 calls on ABT at $32 a contract. Now, the reason we held this the entire time is because, guys, the stock was absolutely mooning. If you guys have the 9 EMA, or if you don't have the 9 EMA, I recommend you put it on your charts. It's the only moving average that I use till this day. And again, you guys will see that the stock held the 9 EMA the entire day throughout this move. I did not sell, guys, until the end of the day when I saw it approaching the 15 EMA. And also, guys, like I said, there's no right or wrong. If you sold early, it's okay. But like I said, chat, it kept holding above this 9 EMA, which is a reason why I like this setup so much. As you guys see right here, it went to the 9 EMA, but didn't actually close below, which led me to continue to hold into that $130 level right here. And as you guys saw right here is when it actually broke, and I said I sold all, which was roughly already at a 350%. This was on my main account that I sold all. On the small account, I still wanted to see if it can hold $130, which it actually did the entire time. Based out, broke out again, and made another high into $131. So guys, again, the point of this video is basically to show you guys the strategy that keeps making me top dollar every single day. It's very simple, guys. Make a watch list of the top 500 stocks in the S&P 500, and every single day scan for breakouts. Look for massive, pennants being formed. I don't know, if you go to NVIDIA right now, we do have one that's actually being formed but hasn't broke out of it, right? If you guys go to NVIDIA right here, we have a pennant that actually has not broken out of, but it's been consolidating for quite some time, since the 3rd of March, as you guys can see. So we've been here for almost a month. I wouldn't doubt if NVIDIA breaks above this pennant, it absolutely moves into that $130, $135 level. So again, chat, all I do every single night is scan through my watch list and look for A+ trade setups such as this one. What is an A+ trade setup? A trade setup that has high probability, such as a breakout. In this case was the downtrend breakout, right? As you guys can see, this stock was still in an uptrend on the daily chart. However, on the 1 hour, we were having some pullbacks, and that is exactly where we took the trade, guys. So amazing trade setup. We literally took it at the bottom of this 1 hour candle, sold it at the top. Guys, this was a 600% trade. I kid you not. If you put in $1,000, you could have made $6,000 profit. Guys, nothing else to this. Don't add anything else to your chart. Keep the chart plain and simple. Go based off price action, the EMAs, etc. Have a blessed day, guys. I hope to see you guys here in the live trading tomorrow morning at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, I am filming this video on the day of ABT. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new. Let's go.